I'm here at Butler Performance in Lawrenceburg, Tennessee, and it's wild to think what was once a racing hobby over the years turned into a performance company known all over the world.
Butler Performance started in the late 80s with my dad, Jim Butler. He had a passion for Pontiacs, GTOs, started running a drag strip here locally, US 43 Raceway. Through the years, after building our own engines, guys noticed we got some attention. That developed into a business.
If you were to break Butler Performance into 3 areas, it would be parts, dyno, and custom engine building.
You know, 1,000 horsepower is basically run-of-the-mill. We now have the capability to make around 3,000 horsepower with a traditional Pontiac design.
Another component of Butler Performance is their part sales, where they ship 50+ packages a day, not only locally, but all over the world.
We love to see customers come in and visit us, and they do from all across the country, across the world for that matter. But 90% of what we do is shipped out, so we have a large Miller parts business. We sell a lot of parts, kits, rotating assemblies, cylinder heads packages, etc.
All in all, it's been a great day here at Butler Performance, but I gotta catch a race, so we'll see you guys later.
Hey, you gotta pay for that.
Hey, we're gonna show you how these high-performance custom engines are made. You need help?
No.